We were in a drought situation. We needed the rain.
Sure did.
Get a lot of rain. I always tell people when you complain about the no rain, I said, just wait until late September, early October. We'll add it all up, because a lot of times it seems like it's just not going to happen. All of a sudden something like this happens. Before you know it, you've gone from a huge deficit to kind of a little deficit. Tough night last night, though. I came home around 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. Wind is howling, and your electricity is on, and you're kind of waiting for that moment where it's not on, and you wake up in the morning, hey, it's still on. So that whole thing plays out, I think, a lot in situations like this. Hope you went through everything okay at your place. Most people, I think, did okay. Just kind of a time of night. Those storms at night are not fun. They're loud. Sometimes you get a little tree limb banging across the house. Winds are gusty. But by and large, I said it should be manageable, and it was manageable for most people, except anyone that had to deal with storm surge flooding. And that really was the highlight of this storm, and that's pretty much how the storm played out. Whole different look on the USF Marine Science Cam tonight. Whole different look on the Clearwater Beach Cam now. Last night, we had these rolling kind of swells coming in from Idalia. Now it's kind of like the Gulf was all churned up, and this is all what's left of it, kind of rolling on shore. And as you go through tomorrow and Friday, the seas will slacken. The Bayshore looks okay. Some sunshine in spots this afternoon. Kind of a variably cloudy day. We're going to stay in this little kind of tongue of tropical moisture that runs from Tropical Storm Idalia all the way out over the Gulf of Mexico. There'll be breaks of sunshine, but there'll be a lot of water content in the atmosphere. So in this zone, there could be random showers and storms at any time. Even tonight, I think there'll be a few coming in off the Gulf. Here's the rainfall total. So you got 6, 7 inches in Hardee, DeSoto counties, and 6. I mean, the deficit was a lot bigger than the amount of rain received, but this took a big chunk out of that deficit. And everybody had rain. I guess the exception is going to be a little corner of Highlands County. Sebring, southeast did not get much, but besides that little sliver, most of you had significant rainfall. I'd say on average about 3 to 7 inches of rain. Some areas a bit more, some areas a bit less. Now we still have kind of a line of rain, and underneath this line, rainfall totals can be pretty significant. We'll zoom in around Tampa Bay. Pinellas is dry. Most of Hillsborough, except the northeast corner, is dry. Fort Meade has rain. Bartow, Lake Wales, rain went by Lakeland. Rain is moving along. Fort Meade, I said rain. Bowling Green, rain is heading for you. And the same spot that's had the extreme drought is getting more rain this afternoon, like Sarasota. You've got a heavy thunderstorm over you, and you know what? It continues in a line out over the Gulf, and you kind of follow this line. We call this a training event, and that's when rain goes right down the same line, just like a train goes down a train track on the same line. So rainfall totals can really add up quickly in a training event. Tropical Storm Idalia now moving into South Carolina. It's a 70-mile-an-hour storm. It'll make a big right-hand turn, then move out to sea. And let's see what the computer models or the latest advisory does with this. And it kind of moves it out towards Bermuda. And all the memes about the storm turning back to Florida, well, you can kind of delete those. At least that's how it looks now, with the storm kind of turning, heading out across the North Atlantic. Elsewhere, let's see, we got Idalia, Franklin, a 10% from this area low pressure, TD11. This system out by Africa, none of this is heading to Florida anytime soon, and probably not at all. That's good. This is the line of moisture. This will stay over us tomorrow, and then as we move into the weekend, we'll start talking some dry air coming in from the east and northeast. So when that happens, the rainfall chances drop dramatically. Tonight, a couple tropical showers around. Most areas dry, near 80. Variably cloudy, implying some sunshine tomorrow. Tropical downpours, 89. The same thing coming up on Friday. Some sunshine, but scattered showers and storms, 90. And then the rainfall trend is down. It turns drier for the weekend, maybe a touch less humid. Temps in the 90s. Back to you.
That sounds pretty good. All right, thanks, Paul.